Installation tutorial of 513 Smart Base. The accessories list includes 6 bed feet, 2 LED induction lights. Third, install the Smart Base and bed frame connector. The first step, install and tighten 6 bed feet. The second step is to install LED induction lights in the middle. The light faces outward. The third step is to bend the frame in the middle of the crossbar. The fourth step is to check if the power cord is plugged in, whether the power cord of the mattress head is intact. Fifthly, test the 3 wires connecting the mattress through the small hole at the end of the bed. And lay the smart bed flat. 6. If you buy a matching bed frame, you need to install the smart base and bed frame connector. 7thly, unzip the head of the mattress. Unzip the zipper at the head of the mattress. Take out the power adapter and remote control. You need to put the support cotton block back into the slot. 8th, connect the power cord to the mattress cord. Place the power cord under the crossbar. Connect the power adapter. The 3 wires of the mattress should be connected. Connect them one by one according to the signs above. After inserting the 2 wires, twist the buckle to secure it, to prevent the mattress from loosening and falling off. After connecting the 3 wires, place the wire under the smart bed. And then you can use the mattress.